Okay, so if you're a fan of Asian flavors that was in Ohana Marketplace, you can't go there anymore. You have to drive all the way to Pearlridge because that's where she moved alongside Bo's Kitchen. So today we're going to be sampling food for both Asian flavors and Bo's Kitchen. Right, Sean?
Yes. Looking forward to it.
I met Ash Thaira in 2016 when she presented a small pop-up event at Wang Chung's in Waikiki, introducing her Laotian larb sticky rice burger. It was a sensation, and although she was non-committal to the idea of cooking as a career, I urged her to seriously consider taking her hobby to the next level. In 2019, she opened Asian Flavors at the Ohana Hale Marketplace, focused on flavors from Southeast Asia to the Philippines, but food at the site is limited to what could be reheated. The move to Pearlridge and a full kitchen means there's no limit to what she can cook up now.
One of the dishes is the nam khao, which is kind of like a crispy rice salad. It's a Lao dish. And we're going to be rolling it up in these lettuce leaves. I'm like super excited about her ribs because they're so tasty. So many spices and lemongrass and fish sauce in it. So no.
And the sauce.
I've never tried that sauce with the ribs
That's why I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, so that's a new one to me. So we gotta wait 1 hour for Melissa to finish shooting.
So when
and
it's
then
stone
we can
cold,
start.
we can eat.
Yeah, we're always waiting for Melissa. She's always in our way.
Let the
How can
timer
you even ask
begin.
that? Because the ribs are my favorite. Yummy! The ribs. So good. I'm gonna try it without the sauce first. You usually don't eat a lot of sauce.
The ribs are good without sauce too.
Don't need sauce. But I just want to taste what it's like. Sticky rice.
The ribs are so good. So aromatic.
It's already like sweet and soy, but the sauce adds another level of sweetness to it.
We get the lemongrass aromatic. So fragrant.
With sweet chili, it brings out more of the flavor. Wow. But standalone is really good too. Don't be confused. But I moved on to Bo's Kitchen.
Confused.
So I'm gonna put this rib on hold because I love it. I'm gonna finish that last. But I'm gonna start with this like little spicy wonton and this what you call that? Pot sticker.
Don't make one for you.
Okay. From Bo's Kitchen. So it's a little bit confusing because we're doing 2 in 1 today.
These are so good. It's so hard to look glamorous eating this because you have to shove it in at some point.
It's good. I wanted to try this one because it's spicy and I love spicy food. Yeah. It's spicy. I don't think you can eat it. Really?
Oh, the spicy.
So here I have the nam khao in the lettuce leaf, and what I thought was noodles is really shredded pork. And so it's like a fusion of Thai and Lao cuisine.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, no, thank you so much for this. All this I got a point.
So flavorful. This is so refreshing with the mint. And if you never tried Ash's food before, you're really in for a treat. The thing with being at Hale Ohana was that she only could like warm up food, but over here she has a full kitchen. So she's bringing out more things that she never had in Kakaako.
This is a shrimp summer roll. So this is our house sauce that we have as well too.
Like a spicy chili or
so it's kind of like a sweet chili mixed with like mayo. So it's like our house sauce that we have. It's called the crazy sauce.
Oh, crazy sauce.
Yay! So yeah, so this is the shrimp summer roll, Lao style ribs. We got the Thai meatball, and then this is the Lao style green long beans, and then that's a nam khao. This is the Thai red curry. This is the Lao sausage. And then that's bowls wonton, jjajangmyeon, and wonton.
Oh,
So enjoy, guys.
Put your face in here and say hi. Put your face in here and say hi. Thank you.
Couldn't really do too much stuff because it's so limited. But now that we're here, you guys are going to get to try all kind of like authentic Lao food. So I'm going to do more of like a Southeast Asian kind of food. So you'll see some like Malaysian kind of food. Yeah, so we're going to try to bring different Southeast Asian.
Spring roll.
Wet nap. I was picking on the place.
Wow.
Where's it?
Spring roll. They're so good. Usually they just give you like this sweet chili sauce, like this watery sauce. But this one is thick. So delicious.
It's like a salad dressing. It's so good though. It's creamy.
Sweet.
It's just different. Yeah, sweet, spicy. Yeah, there's definitely mayonnaise in that. It tastes like a Thousand Island.
It's not
some
the
Asian
usual.
zhuzh.
It's not the usual. It's so
Yeah,
good.
it's so different. Because I'm not a huge spring roll fan only because there's a lot of verdant flavors like bean sprouts and things that are so fresh that it's almost so plant-like. But in this one, it's double dipper.
I didn't dip that side.
Double dipper.
I didn't dip that side. So good.
It's really good. Yeah, normally I'll order spring rolls before I order summer rolls only because it's so fresh and planty. But this one with that sauce and everything is just perfect. And the shrimp actually, the shrimp shines. You can really get the texture and the flavor of the shrimp more than anything else that I like.
And that was so full, but look, I'm finishing the whole thing because it was so delicious.
One is the
Lao sausage is so good too.
I know. I don't know which is my favorite.
So much flavor is packed in here with all the green pork, sweet pork.
Why don't you have the meatballs? Tiny balls.
They're moving on to the tiny balls.
You want tiny ball?
Which is a Lao meatball. I don't even know what kind of meat that is.
Mystery. Probably pork, yeah. It looks like pork.
I don't know.
I think it's mixed.
It's very bouncy.
But that's not so, like Thai and Taiwanese, they all have that similar texture. Yeah.
It's like that kind of
meatball.
It's kind of like the
Hot pot.
meatballs they put in the hot pot. It's very bouncy and chewy.
So I thought this was going to be shrimp, but it's actually
What is it? Pork?
Oh my god.
Oh, chili sauce is making me sweat.
Oh yeah?
Back of the neck sweat.
Nice.
Old man, back of the neck sweat.
TMI.
Too bad. We share. Share.
The sauce.
Good, right? Wait.
Like really garlicky.
Just wait.
It's
It
really
starts off as
garlicky.
nothing and then also the heat really creeps up on you.
I'm going to put it on my coffee.
Yummy. I like the Lao sauce. Now I gotta try the jaja man. So the jaja, it's more like a Chinese style. I like the more closer to Korean style, the blacker. This one is a bit sweeter. It's okay, but I prefer others.
What is that magical
This one
sauce?
is not.
Yeah, that was so good. It's so tasty, especially with the mint in it.
The sauce is
Try
good,
the
Joe.
chicken curry.
So fresh. But that sauce is magical. I told Lena how she missed out on Kakaako.
She missed out.
Yeah, that food's so good.
Yeah.
want to come back and try the other things on the menu.
They said sweet savory. This is like the most giant pork hash I ever seen. It's really tasty. So good. As you can see, I finished my 2 pork bones, so that means like the end is near.
What?
I finished my 2 pork bones.
Oh my God.
So that means like the end of the meal has come.
Why?
I saved the best for last. So there.
What nonsense is she talking about?
I don't. Never mind. Just say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Bye-bye.
Bye.